Hello Tigers! As an upperclassman today, you will be making your choices for the enrollment fair on January 26th. Juniors and seniors spend the day of the enrollment fair engaging with different speakers from a variety of career fields that could be of interest to you as you decide what comes after Lee Summit High School. On the 26th, you will arrive to school, meet with your advisory teacher, and then attend 3 seminars. This presentation will show you the various options of guest speakers you have to choose from. But first, listen to Mr. Hawkins tell you why this day is worth your time and why you should show up and be engaged.
All right, so the enrollment team asked all the teachers a little while back to give a list of people to talk to you during the enrollment fair. And I shared with them some of my reservations just because for me to have my friends come in, people that I know, family members to come in and talk to you during that time, I'm just uncomfortable with. And here's the reason why. I know that when they come in and talk to you, that a lot of times we just don't pay attention. We don't ask questions. We don't do those different things. So the enrollment team asked me to talk to you guys about, hey, how can we do this better? And so here's my advice to you guys. A lot of times in education, we think that the classes that we're taking are about the next class we're going to take, or that we think they're about college. Education should not be about education. Education should be about what job you're going to get when you grow up. So it shouldn't be just about the next class or college. You should be learning things that help you get a job someday. The enrollment fair is the perfect time for that. We have people from the community come in to talk to you about what they do for a living, and I don't feel like we're taking advantage of that. So I want to encourage you, number one, sign up for whatever interests you. They will do their best to accommodate what you want to go listen to. So if there's something that interests you, go to that session. Sign up for a session and take that sign up very seriously. 2, when you go there, ask some questions. People aren't always comfortable talking to teenagers. It's a hard thing to do. And so when they come in, the best thing you can do to get that moving and to make that enjoyable for you is to ask a question. You get to ask questions that normally aren't socially responsible, like, how much money do you make? Do you like your job? What would you do differently? If you were me, what would you do? Ask them some questions when you're in that time, and it'll make it more interesting for you. It'll make them have a better experience, and you'll actually learn something. So I just want to encourage you. Sign up, take that sign up seriously because you're going to be sitting in that class. Make sure it's something you're interested in. And then when you're in there, make sure you ask those people a question because we need to respect the fact that they've taken time out of their day to come and talk to you.
Seminar 1 is a great opportunity to hear from a healthcare executive and an attorney. Note that healthcare executives and managers are expected to increase by 20%. That tells us that this career is in demand and opportunities in this field will be there when you are ready to look for a job. Seminar 2 will feature an accountant and a vice president of business development. If you have any interest in business, Session 2 will give you a great opportunity to ask about many of those related occupations. Seminar 3 includes a software developer and a government purchasing agent. IT is one of the fastest growing fields today, and speaking with a purchasing agent gives you a chance to ask about government-related jobs, as the government is one of the largest employers in the country. Seminar 4 features an event planner. Event planners coordinate all aspects of events and professional meetings. They arrange locations, transportation, and other details. Seminar 5 offers you the chance to speak to a federal probation officer and another attorney. Federal probation officers provide social services to assist with the rehabilitation of law offenders. Seminar 6 features 2 employees from the same company. One works in the mine and the other manages the worksite. This seminar would be great to attend if you have interest in construction, engineering, or want to work with your hands. In Seminar 7, you will hear from a dentist. Dentistry is often cited as one of the best jobs in terms of environment, satisfaction, and compensation. Seminar 8 has a physical therapist and a physical therapist assistant. Take note that there is a shortage of the assistant position, which causes it to have one of the highest projected growth rates. It requires an associate's or 2-year degree program. Seminar 9 is for you if you're interested in nursing. Learn about the specialty field of administering anesthesia and coordinating patient care. Seminar 10 has 2 medical fields with varying education levels. Hear from an ER doctor, but also hear from a clinical lab scientist who can tell you about her job working in a medical lab. Seminar 11 contains 2 visual art careers. Attend the seminar to hear from the owner of an animation studio and a graphic designer. Seminar 12 features a graphic designer and photographer. While photography positions may be in decline, the occupation has fewer education requirements that may allow you to get started straight out of high school. Seminar 13 is for science-minded individuals. Come hear about these very different science positions. The forensic scientist will discuss her career on working on criminal investigations. The veterinarian will tell you about his life helping animals. Seminar 14 offers a medical sales representative and an audiologist. Medical sales representatives sell medical equipment to hospitals, doctors' offices, and other organizations. Audiologists diagnose, manage, and treat patients' hearing, balance, or ear problems. Seminar 15 has a focus on jobs in engineering. Engineers are often one of the most sought after and well-compensated occupations. During Seminar 16, you will hear about careers in manufacturing and facilities management. While manufacturing has been in decline, this speaker will discuss his company's focus on specialty items that require an educated workforce to produce. Seminar 17 highlights an IT recruiter. Recruiters recruit, screen, interview, and place workers. While attending Seminar 18, you will get to speak to a pharmacist and attorney. Pharmacists are one of the better compensated occupations in the growing and ever-changing healthcare field. Seminar 19 features a physical therapist assistant and an expert in cosmetology. The cosmetologist will be able to highlight the various specialties in beauty services, most of which only require a technical degree or certification. Seminar 20 is the first of several seminars highlighting law enforcement occupations. Many people are unaware of the specialties that exist within police work. Seminar 20 will feature the SWAT department of the Lee Summit Police. Seminar 21 will feature the Bomb Squad. They will discuss the specific training they underwent to be able to safely disarm threats and protect lives and property. Seminar 22 is the K-9 unit. In this seminar, you will meet both two-legged and four-legged members of the Lee Summit Police. Seminar 23 contains 2 speakers discussing law enforcement at the federal level. Agents from the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Drug Enforcement Agency discuss their careers fighting crime. Seminar 24 has an entrepreneur and a financial services representative. Entrepreneurs devise strategies and policies to ensure that organizations meet its goals. Financial services representatives sell financial products to individuals. During Seminar 25, you will hear from a transportation planning coordinator. This speaker works for the Missouri Department of Transportation and works to manage, coordinate, and plan transportation projects. Seminar 26 is for students interested in education. 2 instructional specialists from the Lee Summit School District will talk about teaching, but also a variety of other jobs associated with education. Seminar 27 features an entertainer on the radio station 98.9 The Rock. Various jobs in broadcasting will be discussed in this session. Seminar 28 is a great choice for students interested in helping others. A counselor is someone who helps people try to manage and overcome their problems. Seminar 29 highlights aviation. In this seminar, a variety of aviation-related fields will be discussed. This is a fast-growing industry with a variety of career opportunities. Most of these careers require a bachelor degree, plus additional training. Seminar 30 is directly related to choices you can make during your senior year of high school. Sign up for this seminar to learn about the Cadet Teaching Program, the CISA program at Summit Tech, and work release and internship opportunities for your senior year. During this seminar, the Library Media Specialist will also show you careers not at our fairs this year through a virtual tour using Google Cardboard. Reminders. Sign up for 3 different seminars. Show up ready to be engaged and ask questions on the day of the fair. Be open-minded. You might not think you are interested in a certain career right now, but you never know what could happen in the future that could change your mind.